everyone, welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. Today we're making Thai food. We're going to be making Thai basil shrimp, also known as pad Kaprow Koong. I love this recipe. I made this earlier last year on my channel with chicken, and today we're going to be making this with shrimp. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get cooking. All great recipes start with a great spice blend. I'm going to use my mortar and pestle to pound a few ingredients. 1 teaspoon of white peppercorns, and I'm going to follow this with 12 cloves of garlic. I'm also going to use 1 large red chili. Now this is not a very spicy chili and it's going to give me color without the extra heat. And for heat, I have 5 Thai chilies. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Slicing these will help you break this down faster. I'm not looking for a smooth puree, but I'm going to just ensure that I break down and smash all of the garlic and every piece of chili so you're not left with large chunks. I'm going to heat up my trusty wok and add some oil. Once this is nice and hot, I'm going to add in all of the garlic, pepper, and chilies that I pounded earlier. Warning, make sure that you're in a well-ventilated area while frying these chilies. Next, I'm going to add 1 pound, that's roughly 500 grams of tiger shrimp. These gorgeous shrimp have already been shelled and deveined. In they go to become one with the chili mixture. Shrimp does not take a long time to cook, so it's always important to have all of your mise en place ready. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of oyster sauce, two tablespoons of light soya sauce, and a 1/2 tablespoon of fish sauce. I'm also going to add in a 1/2 teaspoon of palm sugar. If you don't have palm sugar, you can just use regular sugar. The sugar is just to balance that spice from the chilies. going to add 1 cup of Thai basil. This fragrant herb gives this dish its iconic sweet, licoricey taste, and it balances the spiciness from the chilies and the saltiness from the oyster, soya, and fish sauce. It's truly delicious. Thai basil is amazing, but if you can't get your hands on Thai basil, regular basil will do in a pinch. Although I can eat it out of the wok, it's best served with some jasmine rice and a fried egg on top. Enjoy! Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for Thai basil shrimp, also known as Pad Kaprow Koong. This recipe is so delicious. I always make a really large batch and it's gone in no time. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys, and share my channel as well as my videos with your family and friends so everyone can enjoy these videos. Also, follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care.